in English learners. Friends, today we will learn that how to use YouTube Studio. It's an amazing app that is used uh, to know that how many likes and comments you have got from your viewers, and it also tells us to how to use actually YouTube. It is actually YouTube guide, you can say. So let's start. This is the YouTube right now, near the my Zoom app. So now I will click, and inshallah we will learn how to use YouTube Studio. So friends, here we'll learn how to use YouTube Studio. So friends, here this is the YouTube Studio, and here we can learn. These are my videos that I uploaded, and these are the comments. Yeah, I can easily see my comments and likes, that how many likes I got. These are the videos that I uploaded, and here by clicking on one we can see that this was the last comment. This is the setting. Here we can go and see all the comments. If we wanna get important comments, so we can click on this here. If we want all comments, so we can click here. Okay friends, and after that, this is the appearance. If you want to change the appearance night mode, you can click on here. If you want to activate the day mode, so you can click here again. Dear friends, this is the here. By clicking on this icon near the setting icon, these are the three lines. If you click on these lines, so it will give you all notification. So friends, it also tells us the average, that what was the average of. So friends, it was my new channel, so I didn't work because I was busy in my papers and some other activities. That's why I didn't work on this channel. So this is telling me last 20 days analytics, that what how many subscribers I got, and how many views I got. 172 views, and watch time was 90 1374 3074 374, sorry. And here are the typical views, and average duration and watch time is 1 minute of this video. And this is an amazing app that is actually for YouTube's. So friends, these are comments that you are right now watching on the screen. So friend, it was a today's video. If it was helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel so that you may get notification of my new videos.